Alex from Mixtank here, just to let you know about a competition that we're running with Captain plugins that'll give you the chance to get creative in the studio, get real feedback from real producers, and the best bit, win some amazing prizes. Captain plugins is an incredible set of tools which allows you to write unique bass lines, chord progressions, melodies, drums, in no time at all with just a few clicks, and you also need very little musical knowledge to be able to do this. I've created a Toolbox tutorial showing you how it all works, and we've included the parts that I've created with Captain plugins so you can download them and start writing your own tracks straight away. No searching for samples or spending hours trying to write melodies and bass lines. Just head to mixtank.tv, download the stems which includes the drums, the melody, the bass line and the beats that I created in there, drag them straight into a DAW of your choice and start getting creative, finishing your own track straight away. Remember, we're looking for the most creative entries, so this could be your chance to try something new. Once you're happy with the track, submit via our demo box and we'll be reviewing a selection of the finalists live in an A&R session with some very special guests. We're giving away some incredible prizes, including Mixtank courses, the full Captain plugin suite, mastering from Labelworks and much more. To find out more and get stuck in, head to mixtank.tv. Good luck.